The matter of People versus David Funston.
Child rapist David Funston finds himself back in front of a judge facing a new sex crime from 30 years ago involving an alleged victim under 10 years old.
We filed the charges and sought to get him into custody as soon as possible. We would do that on a case like this regardless, but given the exigent circumstances of his immediate release, it made it move that much quicker.
Yes, ma'am.
Funston was about to walk free last week despite being handed 3 life sentences in 1999 for the kidnappings, rapes, and sexual assaults of several children. The state parole board found him suitable for release as an elderly criminal at age 64.
I disagree with the parole board's decision to release Mr. Funston, as I think many people do. So in these kinds of cases, I'm always concerned that someone with these charges and this propensity and proclivity for committing these kinds of crimes would victimize someone else again.
The California elderly parole law says inmates at age 50 who serve 20 years or who turn 60 and serve 25 years can be considered for early release, even murderers, rapists, child molesters.
We definitely feel that if he gets released, that would be a severe miscarriage of justice.
Debbie Fallon wants to make sure Funston stays behind bars, sending a message to the state parole board.
I can't believe that these people, our parole board, would have even included him in the senior revision of rules. And if he gets out, what is that saying about the safety of our lives here and the young children that he could damage again?
The Placer County DA says they decided not to charge Funston 3 decades ago to spare another child from testifying, but she will now as an adult.
Mr. Funston was already being prosecuted and convicted and sentenced to life sentences. And in those days, life sentences meant just that, life sentences.
In Roseville, Michelle Bandur, KCRA 3 News.
And again, as you saw, he is in jail still. Funston is being held on no bail.